I tried to Google better on it so much.
Lulu,
Wish I could have found you and gotten you the car.
are you making friends with Puma? Are you making friends with Puma? Go, Bubba.
She ate one like 3 weeks ago. She ate the same card.
Well, I actually left a message. I couldn't use it.
Go ahead, Bubba. Go run. Go run. You leave Puma alone. You leave Puma alone. Go run.
Yeah, no, when I missed it, that's when I called them, and that's when they told me, you know.
But I had called.
Hey, you know what? That's not true. They called me, and I missed that call. And then I called them back, and that's when they told me.
So I figured that was the only way to get hold of you.
I see you.
Brian, you're welcome.
Go ahead, Bubba. Go run. Go run, Lulu. Go run.
That lady, I met her like a month ago here.
Uh-huh.
And when I went to leave, I found a credit card over there
Oh, my
on the
goodness.
ground. And when I Googled it, I got her picture on the Google. And I sent her a message on Facebook, and she hadn't seen it. Oh, you're filming?
Yeah, it's okay. That's fine. This is my husband because he's like, he's not here for the first time.
It's gonna get hot again.
Well, this one over here is a newbie, and you wouldn't know it, would you?